Hi, I'm Vivek, and in this video, we will discuss if YouTube is a career option. Should you quit your job to do YouTube full time? And of course, how much money did YouTube paid me for 100,000 views? On a macro level, every single day, 720,000 hours of content is being uploaded on YouTube, which is 3.7 million videos every single day. There are about 114 million channels existing on YouTube, out of which there are only 2 million channels which are monetized, part of what is called the YouTube Partner Program, which is actually less than 2%. Out of this 2 million YouTube channels, there are only 250,000 channels which are above 100,000 subs, which is 0.3% channels. And there are 0.03%, which is 25,000 channels which have more than 1 million subscribers. So it's very, very competitive, and it is becoming very, very competitive as we go forward. Why is YouTube becoming such an interesting opportunity when it comes to career? Because YouTube has this very interesting monetization feature. YouTube is one of the early platforms which decided to share their revenue with the creators, and not like a small amount. 55% of the revenue which is generated from the ad goes to the creator. And it totaled to about $30 billion in payment in the year 2021. This helps YouTube create very high quality content, which other platforms like Facebook are not able to do because the content creators are not incentivized to create a high quality content. Twitter or X is also coming up with this very interesting monetization feature, and people have already started making money there. So how has been my content journey so far? I have been creating content on YouTube for the past 2 years. I have created 261 videos, which include 161 shorts, about 38 podcasts, 20 long-form videos, and you will only see 40 videos in the public domain. The rest are hidden. Now, the amount of money that you get on 100,000 views depends on a lot of factors. It depends on the content that you're creating. If the content is around education, is it around finance, is it around entertainment, different genre will have different pricing. Because at the end of the day, there's an advertising which is happening on the top of your video. If there is enough dollar in that industry and they're ready to spend more money to attract customers, you'll get more money because they're willing to spend more money to attract customers. Now, since I started creating videos, I've created 260. One of these videos just blew up after 4 months of it being published. So for the first 4 months, there was not much traction, and then suddenly it started picking up. And right now it has about 160,000 views. This video alone has helped my channel get monetized, get me maximum number of subscribers, and is the largest share of the money that I've made so far. This is where 15th of April, when 13th, 14th, 15th of April, when it got monetized and I started making revenue. It's hovering somewhere between 18, 19 rupees to 26, 27 rupees. Sometimes going up to, I think this day is 113 rupees, and now it's kind of slowed down and it's around. So it varies a lot. As you can see in the revenue bucket, the revenue per 1,000 views that you're getting is around 34 rupees. In April, I made 405 rupees. In May, 11169. June, it was 1408. July was 1473. August was 628. And September so far is 136. MBA video, which is about, as I said, 160,000 views, has given me 4,549 rupees so far. And the other podcasts that I have done, which are less in viewership, are much significantly lower amount of money there. Let's dive into this video now. So as you can see, this video was pretty much flattish for the first 120 days, and then it started picking up and started 1,000 views, started crossing to 4,000, 5,000, 10,000 views, and continued to grow. Let's look at how much of money this video has made since monetization. Pretty much about 100,000 views, which is 92,300 views so far. And the total revenue which the video has garnered so far is 4,549 rupees 11 paisa. So as you see, the amount of money that you get in India from 100,000 views is very, very small. And unless you are able to make like 10-15 of these videos, which are doing like 100,000 views every month, it's not enough for you to sustain yourself It's not enough for you to take it as a career option. But this is a very good platform to hone your skills. This is Vivek signing off. Subscribe, share, and take care.